Okay, if you love candy like I do, you are about to be obsessed. We are going inside the Albanese Candy Factory, and it's completely transformed for Easter. The moment you step inside Albanese Candy Factory, you are instantly surrounded by a burst of Easter magic, colorful pastel displays, adorable bunny decor, and shelves filled with beautifully arranged treats that feel like you've walked straight into a candy-filled spring wonderland. OMG, these chocolate treats, perfect for Easter baskets or gifts. You could honestly spend so much time in here just looking at everything. And did you know they actually give free samples? Trust me, I've had my fair share. Check out all of the varieties of chocolate-covered pretzels. So many choices for dark chocolate or milk chocolate meltaways. Just looking at all of these delicious treats makes my mouth water. I love that they already have gift baskets put together. It makes it so easy if you're shopping for kids or family. This is seriously like a candy wonderland. And the gummy candies are what they are famous for, and there are so many flavors. Albanese Candy Factory is one of the sweetest spots around. You honestly cannot come into this Albanese candy store and not want to buy something. They have assorted fruit slices, extravagant gummies, cottontail gummies, and I will be buying 3 little bags of the Sour Chicks. If you don't have time to look around or you can't quite pick from all of the choices, they have pre-packaged goodies that are awesome and you can't go wrong purchasing. They even have a display of old-fashioned candies that they don't make here at the factory, but that people like to buy and eat. You can see some Charleston Chews, some Airheads, just all kind of cool candies here too. This chocolate Easter Bunny decor display is so cool. More Easter baskets. If you don't want a large basket, you can get some of these smaller packaged candies or suckers. There's just so much to choose from and different sizes. I absolutely love the pre-packaged party platters. It is so fun to look at all of the stunning Easter displays throughout the store. Being in this magical candy store makes you feel like a kid again. And isn't that great? What a wonderful feeling. They go all out for the decor for the holidays, but this store is even so much fun to come into even if it's not a holiday. But it is Easter. The cool neon signs are so much fun and give it a nostalgic feel a little bit. And when you're in this candy store, you must look up so you don't miss anything, because look how fun these balloons are. I am going to be leaving here with a small dent in my bank account. If you are anywhere near Maryville, Indiana, I definitely think this is worth the visit, if not worth many visits, if you are a candy lover. I put the candies I bought in these little Easter Bunny goodie bags for my daughter and her roommates. And don't worry, I bought a little something for myself too.